Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And if you see, markets did move down in the start. Bank Nifty opened kind of flat and then took resistance from this range and then started to move down. But in the end, there was again recovery. Talking about Nifty, if you see in the start, Nifty trapped a lot of people over here and then started to move down, right? And Nifty did hit our target. Even Bank Nifty hit our first target of 44,200, almost hit our target. If you see, like just above 44,200, Bank Nifty took support and started to move up, right? But yeah, in the end, if you see, there was very good buying, and this is the buying that we need to confirm or to say that yes, market will continue to move up from here for some time more, and this is not the place where we take a selling position. So this is where we change our market view for tomorrow, and now we can go a little bullish from here, right? So what we guys can do over here is very simple. First of all, if you see Bank Nifty, right now, the best thing for us would be if market opens flat or with a little bit of gap up somewhere near 44,600 or maybe 44,650, all these levels, right? That would be a bit of a big a bit of a big gap up. But yeah, even if market opens to a small gap up or even flat, that is fine. So if we open flat and start crossing 44,550 in Bank Nifty, right, that is when we go bullish in Bank Nifty till first of all the target of 44,650, since the market has taken resistance, or the market has been selling from this level, so the market may consolidate over here for some time and then start moving up. So you can book a little bit of your profit at 44,650 and let the rest go up till the target of 44,800, right? Now we should not see again very big selling coming in from this zone. If the market has to go up, market will consolidate near this trend line itself and then break out, right? But if market again gets to this trend line and then starts again moving down, that means we still are not out of the woods. But I feel like, today also market had a very good chance to move down, but market did not. So yeah, chances are that markets could recover from here, given the buying that we've seen in Nifty, right? But yes, this is a time where we need to be a little bit, like flexible in our view, right? We cannot stick to just one single view, right? And I know I know it could sound a bit, what can you like, hypocritical or something, but still, like I stuck to my bearish view for a long time. But yes, now the things are changing, so we need to be a little bit flexible over here, right? And now if you see Nifty, talking about Nifty, if you see, right, even if you open flat or with a small gap up somewhere near 19,650, so if you open with a gap up, we'll let the market come down till 19,620 to 630, right? And then we'll go long from there. Our target, first of all, will be 19,675, first target, and then our second target will be 19,725, because market may take a little bit of resistance over here since there is a gap previously that was made over here. I'll go back. Yeah, if you see, so the market may take support, like resistance from this zone and consolidate over here for some time, or we may see very good selling coming in, right? But yes, the way Nifty has closed, the buying that we saw, this amazing buying, this points out that yes, the market may continue to move up from here. There is a little bit like buying may again continue from it. So we, as of now, for tomorrow at least, if we open flat or with gap up, we'll keep our view in on the positive side. Even if we open the small gap down, just a small gap down, right, then also it is fine. We will continue to keep our view on the upside, right? So if you open flat, right, and start crossing 19,630, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade. But if you want a confirmation, you can wait for the 5-minute candle closing about 19,000, about today's high is what I'm trying to say. If we get a 5-minute closing, you can still go ahead and take a bullish trade over there, no problem at all, right? However, if you open with a gap down, say somewhere near like 19,580 or maybe 19,570, all these levels, then we'll wait for the market to see where it is going, right? Because market is opening with a small gap down, right? So we'll see where the market is trying to go. If the market is holding itself on these levels itself for the first hour of the trade, if the market is holding itself at these levels, then we'll go bullish from here. But if market is again seeing a sell off, right, then we need to see how do these supports at lower levels act. One support is 19,520, 530. Then there is this trend line also, which the market has taken the support from, since it's not like a perfect support, but still market has taken support. So yeah, 19,500 will then become an important level to watch out for. Below 19,500, we can expect the market to go down very fast, since it will be a breakout failure. But yeah, until unless market is above 19,500, we could see a bit of good buying coming in into the market, right? So yeah, if you open, with a small gap down, then we'll wait for the market to consolidate over here for a bit, and we'll wait for the market to see where exactly it is trying to go. If the market is consolidating over here, then once the market breaks out above 19,630, you can go ahead and go bullish from here, as I said, with the above levels of 19,675 and 19,720, right? And yeah, tomorrow is also the expiry, so yeah, you could pretty much get very good trades, because even today, right, there was bank nifty expiry, which was like for the first time on Wednesday. And so I wanted to see how the premiums are behaving for maybe one or two expiries, and that's why I did not take a trade today. But yes, the premiums were extremely low. So if you are an option buyer, it is one of the best times for you to find days like these where the premiums can spike very much, right? I think even if you like, I think tomorrow chances are 19,650 could be, somewhere going near 15 to 20 rupees. Even if you buy that, right, chances of that premium doubling and tripling have become a lot, right? Chances of any premium doubling or tripling near expiry have become a lot. So it's pretty easy for an option buyer, if he can, if they can, find the right place to go ahead and take a trade. It's pretty easy for an option buyer to make money, because premiums are so low that even a small move is giving you good returns with the premiums, right? But you need but that's the pro, but that's the thing, that you need to find at which place will I get a very good trade, right? So and that was it. But yes, if we open with a very big gap down, anywhere with a gap down below 520 to 530, that means chances are market could go down. If we open with such a big gap down, and once we go below 19,500, let the market, trade below 19,500 for maybe 5 to 7 minutes, right, or maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will go ahead and aggressively go short from here, because market tried to give a breakout, market saw a very good buying coming in, but for some reason market is opening sharply lower. That means a lot of people will get trapped, and we could see a very good sell off coming into the market till at least 19,260 first of all. But yes, you can keep a small target of you can keep a first small target of 19,450, book some profit, and let the rest go down a lot, right? Because if market opens with such a big gap down, then chances are that we could see a very, very good sell off coming into the market easily till 19,250, 270 levels, right? Very easily. So if you open with a very big gap down, then we'll straight up be bearish, because then this breakout will fail and the market could open and the market could start moving down again. Same thing for Bank Nifty. If we open with any sort of a gap down near 44,300 or below it, we will wait for some sort of a price action, because 44,300 is a good support, and even 44,200. So once we trade once we make negative price action over here, we'll go aggressively short from here till first of all 44,000, and then even bigger targets of 43,500, which will be kind of for a positional basis, right? Because then markets will continue to move down. And yeah, focus more on Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty looks a bit more weak still in the market, right? So yeah, I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. And yeah, that was it for today, and thank you for, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.